OpenAI has just pulled the curtain back on GPT-5, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a leap into a new era. They've shattered our expectations, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the 5 most game-changing features that will redefine how you work, create, and even think. And trust me, you are going to want to stay until the end, because the number 1 feature is something straight out of science fiction. Feature number 5. The hyper-realistic conversationalist. Forget robotic voices. GPT-5's new voice model is so stunningly natural it can convey emotion, whisper, and understand the cadence of a real conversation. It translates languages in real time, teaches you pronunciation word by word, and with video input, it sees what you see, turning every interaction into a fully aware, contextual experience. Feature number 4. The personalized artificial intelligence soulmate. This is where it gets personal. GPT-5 doesn't just remember facts from your chats. It learns who you are. With a new feature called personalities, you can shape its tone to be supportive, professional, witty, or even a little sarcastic. It's no longer a one-size-fits-all assistant. It is a unique artificial intelligence, molded by you, for you. Feature number 3. The Guardian Angel. Reimagined safety. Safety just got a massive intelligence boost. Previously, when faced with a tricky prompt, an artificial intelligence would just refuse. GPT-5 takes a revolutionary approach called safe completions. Instead of a blunt no, it understands your underlying goal and guides you toward a safe and helpful alternative. It doesn't just block a dangerous path, it illuminates a better one. Feature number 2. The expert in your pocket. This is where GPT-5 feels less like a machine and more like a genius collaborator. It now possesses the deep knowledge of a doctorate-level expert in almost any field. The presentation shared a powerful real-world story of a user who, faced with a complex cancer diagnosis, used it to understand intricate medical reports and advocate for herself, turning confusion into empowered action. And now, the feature you've been waiting for. The one that truly changes everything. Feature number 1. The Instant App Creator. This is the moment science fiction becomes reality. With GPT-5, you can describe a beautiful, highly interactive application with complex features. And it will build it. From scratch. In minutes. We saw it generate hundreds of lines of functional code for a gamified language learning app, complete with a custom theme and activities, all from a single prompt. This is software on demand. You no longer need to be a coder to be a creator. So this is more than just a new model. It's a new kind of partner. It's faster, more personal, profoundly smarter, and safer than ever before. The question is no longer what's next for artificial intelligence, but what you are going to create with it. Let me know in the comments which feature blows your mind the most. And if you're as excited about the future as I am, make sure to like and subscribe for more.